Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Would You Rather on Roblox. So let's try to the pals or the crew. Let's be the pals. Oh, what am I? I don't know what I am. I have a dragon on me. Oh, I guess like they're gray? Oh, here we go. Oh, okay, that's a little creepy. So yeah. And you can also invite your friends to play this game with you. But yeah. Okay. So let's see. See what the blue side is. The blue side is play Roblox or play Minecraft. I'd rather play Roblox, honestly. Oh, we're the Roblox character. Hey, how did she got a? She got a girl. I got a boy. Hey. Alright, whatever. But alright, we run like Roblox does. Why is there like light bulbs? Okay, like when's the alright, here. Next thing's gonna start in 2. Be a penguin or be a polar bear. I'd rather be a polar bear. Polar bear, cute. Oh, I think I am a polar bear now. Oh, I'm so cute. But like the clothes just don't go well. Oh, hers is good. Hers looks good. Luckily, I'm not fat. I'm kind of like a big person, maybe? Let's jump on somebody's head and like ride them. I'm on a bunch of people's heads. Oh, be Donald Trump or be Hillary Clinton. Let's be a girl for once. Hillary Clinton. But Donald Trump is gonna look awfully. Oh, I'm actually really pretty. And you're a little... I'm a polar bear, Hillary Clinton. Hey guys, I'm a polar bear, Hillary Clinton. Oh, I think everybody's like a polar bear. Oh, this guy is not any of them. Oh, I don't have one of those. Oh, well, I'm not Trump, so I don't have one of those. Okay. Parasized. Let's be Pikachu. Oh, I'm so cute. I'm little Pikachu. Hey guys, look, I'm Pikachu. Look it, I'm so cute. We don't walk, we kind of like glide. Never return back to little Pikachu. Aww. Become John Doe or Jane Doe. Let's be Jane Doe. I have no clue who they are, but oh, this is Jane Doe and that's John Doe. Okay, now I've seen them before. I didn't really know their names at first, but why does somebody have something that says Trump? I don't have anything to hold. As you guys can see, I have like nothing here. Oh yay, turn back, okay. Become a dinosaur. Or become a unicorn. Let's become a unicorn. Unicorns are like awfully fun. I'm so cute. I'm a pink fluffy unicorn. Oh no, they're trying to eat us. Oh no, 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 no. We don't want them to eat us. Our little unicorn. Unicorns are getting captured. No! Oh, what is that? Oops. Aww, unicorns are so cute. Become an epic ninja cat or become super speedy lion. I want to be a lion. I'm so fast. Oh, those are so cute. They get to fly in the air. I'm just like a lion, an ugly lion. When I can be a cute little cat. Oh, let's chase cats. No, I am a cat. Here, we follow their rainbows. We'll find them 1 point. It's a little kitty. Okay, let's see. Fly as a slow snail, or run as fast as I'm gonna fly as a slow snail. Hey, I can't. Oh yeah, I'm flying. Oh yeah, I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm not moving anywhere. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!